Ah, beautiful photographs. Photographs are everlasting memories. Everyone loves taking pictures with a camera and seeing the beautiful photos afterwards. But the question now is, can your photos last forever? Well, now you can with Dragon Agent Productions, where we do photos to digital photo file transfer services. We scan all kinds of photos of prints, slides, and negatives. Here's a look at the photo comparison. You can see the difference of how we restore photos. We also remove red eyes from the photos too. Our prices are so affordable for photo transfers. Your memories last forever and it comes with the incredible lifetime guarantee. We put digital photo files on a CD, DVD, and USB flash drive. When you're ready to transfer your photos, give us a call or send us an email. Your photos will last forever with Dragon Agent Productions. We make the world you want to see.